What if you treated yourself with the same respect you give someone you deeply admire for exactly 1 week? Start with the small things. Eat your meals without scrolling through your phone, like you're dining with someone important. Speak to yourself with the same kindness you'd show your best friend going through a tough time. Prioritize sleep like your well-being actually matters, not like it's something you can sacrifice. Then make bigger changes. Stop making decisions based on what's convenient for everyone else. Buy quality items for yourself instead of always choosing the cheapest option. Set boundaries like your time and energy are genuinely valuable. Here's what happens next. People get confused by your new standards at first, then they start respecting you more. You discover preferences and desires you'd been hiding for years. Most shocking of all, you realize how poorly you'd been treating the most important person in your life. Self-respect isn't selfish. It teaches everyone how you deserve to be treated.